A single missed defect can cost buyers up to $10,000 in repairs after closing, with some repairs totaling as much as $20,000. This video is designed to help first-time home buyers understand the importance of home inspections. By the end of this video, you will learn how to create a home inspection checklist, what common defects to look out for, how to negotiate with sellers based on inspection findings, and the average cost of repairs for common defects.
What is a home inspection?
A home inspection is a thorough examination of a property's condition, typically conducted by a licensed home inspector. The inspection process usually takes 2 to 3 hours and costs between $300 to $1,000, depending on the location and size of the property. In 2026, a home inspection is a crucial step in the home buying process, as it can help buyers avoid costly repairs down the line.
Creating a home inspection checklist. A home inspection checklist is a detailed list of items to inspect during a property examination. The checklist should include items such as the roof, plumbing, electrical systems, and insulation.
Home inspection tips for buyers recommend prioritizing the most critical items, such as structural damage or safety hazards, which can cost up to 10% of the purchase price to repair.
Common defects to look out for. Common defects found during home inspections include termite damage, mold, and foundation problems.
These defects can cost up to $5,000 to repair, with some foundation repairs totaling as much as $20,000. Home buying in 2026 requires a solid understanding of these potential issues and how to negotiate with sellers to address them.
Negotiating with sellers.
If defects are found during a home inspection, buyers can negotiate with sellers to repair or credit the cost of repairs. On average, sellers are willing to negotiate up to 5% of the purchase price to address inspection findings. Home inspection tips for buyers recommend working with a real estate agent to navigate these negotiations and ensure a fair deal. The importance of hiring a licensed home inspector.
Hiring a licensed home inspector is crucial to ensure a thorough and accurate examination of the property.
A licensed inspector can identify potential issues that may not be immediately apparent, saving buyers up to $10,000 in repair costs down the line. In 2026, it's essential to research and hire a reputable home inspector to conduct the property examination.
Key takeaways.
In conclusion, home inspection tips for buyers are essential to avoid costly repairs and ensure a smooth home buying process. By understanding the importance of home inspections, creating a home inspection checklist, and negotiating with sellers, buyers can save up to $10,000 in repair costs and make informed decisions when purchasing a property. Don't wait until it's too late. Click the link in our description to download our free home inspection checklist and start your journey to becoming a savvy home buyer today.